Hare Krishna everyone, we're continuing to read the Teachings of Lord Kapila, the book by His Divine Grace Srila A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, Chapter 12, Perfect Knowledge Through Surrender. It will be a very short episode today, you have no idea what's going on in my life right now. Okay, so yesterday we stopped at a point where Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, "Actually, I'm not very learned. My guru has stated that I'm a fool, number one. He said that because of this, I cannot possibly read Vedanta Sutra, for Vedanta Sutra is not meant for an ordinary person. My guru, therefore, advised me to chant this Hare Krishna Mahamantra, and now I'm doing this and getting the results." Unquote. Chaitanya Charitamrita Adi 7.71. Unquote. At the present moment in Kali Yuga, people are not well educated. They are simply engaged in earning money to fill the belly. Vedanta philosophy is not meant for an ordinary person, not even for an ordinary learned person. It requires great knowledge of Sanskrit and philosophy. Of course, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, being the Supreme Personality of Godhead, knew all things, but at that moment he had assumed the role of an ordinary person in order to instruct an illiterate, ignorant society. In this age, people are not even interested in reading Vedanta Sutra. People are so badly infected by the influence of Maya that they do not even care to understand that there is life after death, or that there are 8,400,000 life forms. Sometimes, if people hear that by acting in such a way they will become a tree, a dog, a cat, an insect, or even a human being, they say that they do not even care to know this. Sometimes they say, "Never mind if I become a dog. What's wrong with that? I will simply forget everything." Many university students in the Western countries speak this way. They have become so ignorant that they are described as Manda. Previously, in India, the Brahmanas were interested in understanding Brahman. Athato Brahma Jigyasa. However, at the present moment, everyone's a Shudra, and no one is interested in understanding Brahman. People are simply interested in getting more money and going to the cinemas. Human life is meant for understanding our situation, and we should take instructions from Bhagavad Gita. Arjuna is personally teaching us by accepting Krishna as his guru. He asks Krishna to become his spiritual master and teach him. The lessons given by Shri Krishna are not simply meant for Arjuna, but for everyone. Krishna tells us in Bhagavad Gita that we should search out a guru. The first guru is Shri Krishna himself. And whoever represents Shri Krishna is also a guru. If I am a businessman and someone goes to canvass for my business and take orders for me, he is my representative. If he simply says that he is my representative and yet takes some orders but uses the money for something else, he is not really my representative. Krishna's representative does not say, "I have become Krishna." Such a person is neither a representative nor a guru. He is simply a cheater. Krishna's representative is one who canvasses for Krishna. Krishna says, "Give up everything and surrender unto me. Krishna's representative says, give up everything and simply surrender unto Krishna. This is certainly not very difficult to understand. Anyone can become Krishna's representative. Nonetheless, for the past 200 years, many yogis and swamis have gone to foreign countries, but no one has spoken about Krishna. They have simply presented a hodgepodge of Indian philosophy. No one has actually presented Vedic culture as it is. We should read Bhagavad Gita as it is and understand the philosophy as Arjuna understood it. I'm very sorry to stop here for today. Yes. At these moments when you can't read personally for a long time and record it, I try to listen some audiobook myself, and it really helps me when there is separation from physical reading. So, hope we'll catch up tomorrow and read more tomorrow. Thank you so much for tuning in today. The link to this book is in the description. Please check out our website, shravanamdiaries.com, and we shall see you tomorrow. Hare Krishna.